Hello guys, our topic for today entitled Metabolic System of Insects, Balance of Nutrient in Insects. I may define first what is metabolic. Metabolic, it is refers in the breakdown of food and its transformation into energy. Insects have proved to be interesting animals for observation and study because of their abundance and wide variety in form of structure. They are all related. They share a common ancestor at the base of their family tree. Insects exhibit many unique metabolic characteristics. They are harmful to man as pests of cultivated crops, animals, stored products, carries human diseases, and pests of household and industrial articles. But they are also helpful as a producers of honey, silk, dyes, and etc. They are also pollinators of crops as natural enemy of crop pests. They are also serve as important link in the food web of biological cycle in the system. Insects are important sources of nutrients for human and a variety of other animal species. They are also to expand energy constantly, and if they are not feeding, they must live on reserves accumulated in periods of food abundance. The metabolic process taking place inside the body of an animal can be measured in the respiratory exchange of the animal by access training either the oxygen consumption or the carbon dioxide output from the result of various investigators. It is interesting to note that the respiratory rates of insects are considerably higher than these other animals. The fat body plays a major role in intermediary metabolisms, and it is the central storage depot of nutrients and energy reserve. The storage function of the fat body is essential in the life of holometabulous insects, which must accumulate at least minimal amount of nutrients in the larval stages to survive during period of starvation and metamorphosis. There are dynamic tissue involved in multiple metabolic function. One of these functions is to store and release energy in response to the energy demands of an insect. Insects store energy reserves in the form of glycogen, triglycerides, ano? Triglycerides in the adipocytes, and the adipocyte is the main fat body cells of insects. It can store a great amount of lipids reserved as the cytoplasmic lipids droplets. The entomologists have suggested that certain insects may show a great rate of metabolisms in dry air than in the moist at the same temperature. They believe that such increased metabolism they cause a greater production of metabolic water to compensate for evaporation from insect's body, and the maintain in a constant ratio of water to dry water at different atmospheric humidities. This increase on metabolic rate in assume in occur in resting insects which not moving actively. Thank you.